Hold on. It's 1432 Vision. You know what today is? It's Put You On Friday. It's where we review a lot of gear for a reasonable price. So all my beginner filmmakers out there, it's a lot of stuff out there that you might not even know about to get the job done just as well. So you seen the vision, you seen the link. Now let's get into this Zeapon Micro 2 slider. Alright, let's get it. I'm also gonna give y'all some tips and tricks on how to get cinematic shots with this slider. Let's go. So you gotta hold the power button to cut it on. The power button and the speed button, it's the same button. Of course, 3 being the fastest. These buttons right here is how you control which way you're going. Holding the button will the slider move until you release it. Once you release it, the slider stops. But if you double tap, the slider move is on. You have to put the slider together once you get it. But if you flip it right here upside down, you'll see the screw. Unscrew this and the belt should come loose. And if it ever breaking, you gotta replace it. I mean, you should be able to find this belt on Amazon about $20. Don't quote me though, but it don't cost that much, man. Let's get it. As you can see, this thing is built like a tank, man. It's built pretty good, man. All you need is a tripod and a ball's head, mount your camera on top, and you can get them shots, man. Use your imagination. And then I'm gonna show y'all how to do that too in this tutorial. Hold on. So 2 things you wanna do once you get your slider mounted if you're trying to get a cinematic shot. Alright. First thing you wanna do is set your focus. Get your focus point together or where your camera's gonna end up. You always do that. Never autofocus. Everything is manual. Once you get your focus point set up, go back to where you're gonna start from and then get ready to start the slider. The second thing you wanna do is make sure something in your foreground, whether it's a tree, a wall, or a cup, or whatever you're doing, something to be in your foreground to reveal the shot. That way we can all see that the camera is moving, and that's how you get a cinematic shot. Now, I like to push in sometimes with my shots, so what I do, same thing, same 2 steps. I make sure something in the foreground, I set it up first, and I push in slowly. This is one of the main cinematic shots you will see to reveal something when everything is out of focus and either the subject steps in focus or the camera brings them in focus. You'll see this in a lot of movies, a lot of music videos, but I like to do it all the time, especially in my short films. As you can see, that's the 18-35mm. We're also shooting all this stuff on the 24-70 Sigma. Let's get it, 2.8. As far as batteries go, it do come with 1 battery, and it takes the same exact batteries that you can use on your newer slider panels or the batteries that you may use for your, if you mount a screen or anything. But I'm pretty sure you got plenty of these. If not, they're on Amazon. I will put a link in the description. About 15-20 bucks. Don't quote me on that neither. As you can see, you got a QR code on the top. You can download the app. Settings, man, user friendly. But I've noticed that if the correct battery is not in the slider, the phone doesn't work. You cannot control it from the phone. You have to have the correct battery in the slider. I'm not capping. I ran into the issue, and that's the problem. Put the correct battery in it, and you're good to go. Like I said, the slider, real dope. You know, definitely something that you should have in your camera bag. Even if you're trying to film yourself, you want to do videos on your own, you want to shoot your own videos, man. Nice slider, get the job done, reasonable price. I mean, you know, you might see these long ones, you don't necessarily need that. 1 shot sliding all the way there far anyway. Nobody. 1432 Vision. Please subscribe to the channel, and we out.